Okay, I got a breaker bar, a seat belt, and see this? The old floppy seat belt. The floppy seat belt that doesn't go anywhere. If you look right here, if you look right here at the one I've already done, see? Ooh, nice enough. This one, floppy. 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 So I got a 16mm socket on a breaker bar. I've already tried doing this without a breaker bar, not possible. Let's see, what's that? That's tightening. We gotta go back the other way to loosen it. And I have a ratcheting end for this, and it's somewhere, not right here. It's in this tool bag. Let's see, I got it by hand, easy. And I just realized something. I can buzz this back on with a doohickey, which is invisible at this time. Right there, that's all we need. And then this is no more, it's the floppy cock. Okay, let's see, we got this guy, which is a 3/8, and we have probably an adapter in here, hopefully. I'll put it back. Let's see, is the adapter in here? It's supposed to be in here. No, the adapter is not in here. Well, that's a bummer. Okay. Oh, my shins, my leggings. We have another adapter in here somewhere. Oh, this is it's a ratchet for my breaker bar right here. This little guy. Sweet. Alright, let's see if I have that attachment in here. This is like the world's smallest bag, but it has like everything in it. It's the largest amount of shit here. Where is my attachment? Do you see my attachment? No, because I can't see it either. Oh, my insides. Oh, probably would be done by now. Just used to go to the breaker bar. Oh, is that it? Ta-da! Nope, that's not it. Okay, I guess we're not using my drill. Just gonna put it back on. Okay, we're gonna put it back on. And Kelly here is gonna do all the video editing and cut it out. Probably not. That's a good idea though. Yeah, get it out of there. Why is it being so ridiculous? There it goes. Cross threaded the bolt. Tighten it by hand. Yes. Tighten it by hand. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Well, that's nice and tight. When it's loose like this, you can put it where you want. I think I'm gonna put it right here. Take this bad boy and send it home. It's done. Wash it nice and tight. You bend it how you want. Whatever's. Alright, so this part here. See, I got this again. Take this off right here. Oh, that was very easily. I've tried this with other wrenches. The breaker bar's the way to go. The breaker bar's the way to go, huh, Kelly? Yep. my pantomime assistant over here is very hungry and does not want to talk, apparently. She likes to pantomime a lot. Okay. Okay, so it looks like I have some sort of thing right here. I just ripped that off there. And it looks like I have that in my tool bag. So, for this one, I'm going to put this one on the bottom, like this, and this one on top. Something like this, and then maybe twist it. What the hell's this? Eee. Okay. Just twist the pitch like this. I'm going to twist it like this, so when it goes across, it lays flat against your chest.
No, that's how you messed up last time.
No, it's not. You're
No, this one's backwards.
No, it's not. Not backwards. You're backwards. No, it's backwards. See how it goes flat across your chest like that?
Yeah, but this part is backwards.
No, it's not. It's not backwards. You're backwards. What's wrong over here? There it goes. You're having a brain fart, I think. No. What are you doing? What did you drop? Like this. Give it a nice tighten down. Like that. And now what we need is that T1000. And I have that in here somewhere. And I don't have a flashlight on me. Oh, the T1, nope. It looks just like this. It looks just like it. Where is it? Where is it, man? Yes, fill my head, that's right. Comedy hour. Well, that's gonna work? No, it's too thin. Where is it? Oh, shit. We used these to fix the back window last night. The spirits have got me. The spirits have got me. Oh, everything but what I need. Is that it? Oh, that's not it. Alright. I'm gonna have to buy you some video editing software so you can edit all my videos for me and be my slave. Damn it! Where did I put that thing? Is that it, or do I have a bigger one? Let me check this thing. It's definitely not gonna fit. I have a bigger one. Where is it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't see it in there. Oh. I'll leave that out. You don't have to keep filming me. You're just wasting battery.
Okay.
Alright. I found it. It was on my dash. Let's see if this loud ass noise can get this undone for us. Wasn't too bad. Okay. Oh, it's actually different. How strange. Alright, well, okay. The seatbelt's off. I made a huge mess. Now this has to go up like this. Only going that far. Oh well. Probably gonna work just fine. Can't find the hole. Oh my god. Where's the hole? Like, wait, in there? Now, do I have hardware for this? Answer is yes, probably. Alright, pause it. I just got an idea. I'm going to take this Christmas tree and I'm going to put it through this hole until this fits in there. And I'm not sure. What is it going to be? Probably next to the last one. I'm going to take it and just put it over here. Smoking it. Is that just a metal smoking? I don't know. Look at that, it's just smoking the metal. Oh, this is backwards. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Getting water. I don't want to burn my shit. See, I gotta burn it and see if it's hot enough to burn. Is that hot enough to burn anything? We're just checking. See if it's hot enough to burn. I don't think it is. It's pretty hot though. About right there. I wish that fit. It would be like perfect. Fuck you, little cocksucker. What the frick? There we go. That's what I'm talking about. That shit's in. That is in like Steve McQueen. Still works. Amazing. Right there. Alright. That was a pretty good day of hatred. Now I have a massive mess in here because everything sucks. Let's give it a test drive. Yeah, test run. Okay, well, here he is. Just the final results of this thing. Okay, let's see it. Let's see. Okay, we have the seatbelt here. Comes down like this. Yeah, okay.
Looks twisted.
fine. Trust me. Look. Oh, it's gonna stop me. It's gonna save me a life-threatening accident.
Our flags in the mirror. See, they're going very low. Okay, so you can't have any poles sticking out of the car.
Yeah. Out of the car that window or something.
Now we're gonna go to drive around Whole Foods and see how many heads we can turn over here.
We're having fun.
Sorry, I just started laughing because people are looking at you like either in disgust or like, what the fuck? Oh, I should do that.
Did they fall down or are they still up there?
Mine's still good. What about your
I
side?
can't even see her.
Yours is good or bad?
I don't know.
Look in the mirror.
I can't even see it in the mirror. It's all
Okay, mine's good. Yours looks pretty good too.
Oh,
Here's the entrance. What our new store is gonna look like. Yeah, horrible.
okay.